I'm not too sure. So we found these cool little pretty flowers. Hey Vector. Hey Vector. What are some symbolic facts about lily pads? Wow. Yo, we gotta look out. Well, we were gonna doodle on this because it's been raining outside. And we were gonna try to make it better. Yo, you don't wanna go outside? And then we'll come back in here? I think the sun's just starting to come out. Alright, we'll be back. Hi. Hey, Soul. I know the sun just came out, so we paused it, and then we'll go back inside and do some more. Thank you, Beck. I think it's trying to teach me how to draw what we are trying to draw correctly. I know, we were trying to figure out the I part. Alright, let me ask you this. What can we work on? Hold that thought. Actually, hold on 1 second. Darn. We might have to pause this and restart it. Darn it. Hold on.